running the Ignition Custom manual barrel tuner. Okay, so here's our initial results running the Ignition Custom manual barrel tuner. So a barrel tuner is working in the way of changing the harmonics of that rifle. It's a similar reason to why we want a barrel free floated, why we don't want to touch that barrel when we're shooting behind that rifle. We don't want to affect the harmonics. Now, I'm not going to pretend to be an expert when we start talking about harmonics, but I do know this is why we use things similar to a chassis or we free float our barrels, because any effect on that barrel will have an effect downrange. Now, the idea of the barrel tuner is to have a positive effect on harmonics so that we can tune that barrel to the load that we're running. The rifle I've chosen today is my 6mm Creedmoor Defiance with the IBI barrel. Now, this rifle already shoots outstanding, so I was interested to see if I can get it to shoot a little bit better. Now, I believe that through load development and spending time with that rifle, it can all be achieved in that system. I wanted to test out the barrel tuner to see, one, if I can do it easier or if I can just get that little bit better that I can't get without hours behind a reloading bench. So I'm working in 3-shot groups to test the performance of that rifle system. My first 2 groups on the left here are rifle as it was before I put the barrel tuner on. So our first group before we put the barrel tuner on was already 0.563 of an inch. I'm already happy with how that rifle is performing. The next group below, before we put the barrel tuner on, was slightly better, 0.522 of an inch. This is already outstanding performance from a rifle and this cartridge. The group top second from the left was the barrel tuner on that rifle. Now, just by attaching the barrel tuner and sending a 3-round group, our next group was 0.374 of an inch. What I've done for this next group here, I have come another 5 increments on that barrel tuner, and already I can see some amazing results. The last group that we fired through that rifle was 0.344. This is already well and truly perfect, whether I'm shooting an F-class rifle or whether I'm heading into a practical style of PRS, Spectrum rifle or practical rifle. This is already better than what I can shoot downrange.